To pair a new phone to iDrive 9 system, touch the telephone tab and immediately start searching for a device. Make sure that your Bluetooth on your phone is on discoverable. Here it's found the phone, and now it's going to start communicating with it. Want to make sure the numbers match. Click pair, allow, if you want to use your phone as a smartphone, and let the car make phone calls and stuff. You can see that it's connected. I don't currently have Apple CarPlay selected, but I do have most everything else selected. If you wish to have it play Apple CarPlay, simply select this button, click OK, use Apple CarPlay. Now it is going to use the Wi-Fi to assist with this. So if you look on Wi-Fi, it is going to show that this is actually connected via not only Bluetooth, but also Wi-Fi. On your phone, under Bluetooth settings, make sure your Apple CarPlay is toggled on or it will not work. To remove your phone from iDrive 9, simply select Telephone. Should come up under Devices. If you have more than one device, you'll have to select the device you want to remove. Scroll down to the bottom and click Remove. It's pretty quick. There is also an option in here that if a device has not been connected for 30 days, you can have it removed. You will note that iDrive 9 has no iDrive controller, which is why using the touchscreen is so imperative. If you have any questions on how to connect your phone to iDrive 9, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer it.